Welcome back. Now, one of the ways we can personalize or give life to the sales presentation that we're going to be using is to add images. And we can add appropriate images as we see fit according to the context we're going to be communicating in. One of the other things that we can do with ChatGPT is we can ask the chatbot what kind of images would be appropriate for this particular sales presentation. And we're going to do that right now. We're going to ask ChatGPT to tell us what kind of images would complement this sales presentation. And so we're going to ask a plain language question, and we're now going to click Enter. Now that we have ideas on what we're going to add as images, and we have a specific number, we're now going to go back to ChatGPT, and we're going to ask it to give us prompts to place inside of an image creator. And so we're going to write the first query, knowing that we may need to rewrite the query until we get what it is that we want. So we're going to ask the chatbot to give us the prompt in order to create the images. We're now going to click Enter. Now what we're going to do with these prompts is we're going to take them and we're going to go to an image creator in order to create each of the images. And these are going to be the images that we will consider using in our sales presentation when we do the final layout after we get all of the content from ChatGPT. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.